Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
The cat and the monkey speak out. The cat and the monkey speak they out. The cat and the monkey speak out. The cat and the monkey speak they out. On a bright sunny day, under a sky so blue, a curious cat and a monkey named Blue had upon a journey both daring and ran out in search. The cat with her face so shinily said, Blue, how should we go this way? They jumped on up but made up leaves and vines and sailed down rivers through jungles of pines. The cat purred softly, but our ground dry. The mushroom was magic, they grew very tall. Now Lua was a giant, and the cat was small. They danced with birds and played with bees, fun with monkeys in banana trees. A parrot round, beware the stream. Ignoring the parrot, they dived right in and floated and bubbles with many a spin. Lou found a crown made of silver gold, and the cat wore a cape. He lay on gold. Now we are royalty. But soon the moon rose high in the sky, and stars sparkled bright as the night flew by. Time to go home, the cat softly said. So off they flew on a gust of wind. The cat gave a wing, and Dua gave a grin back to their tree house. Good night, Blue. The little cat purred, the day was the best.
Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.